Derby, Kansas is a growing, progressive community of over 23,000 people located 12 miles southeast of downtown Wichita and just 7 miles from McConnell Air Force Base. While many Derby residents do travel to Wichita for work, Derby has a thriving business community of its own, including numerous national chain retailers. The city of Derby is a wonderful place to live and raise a family. The city's mission is to create vibrant neighborhoods, nurture a strong business community, and preserve beautiful green spaces. On this last point, Derby has a lot to offer. In fact, the city of Derby has 28 parks covering 330 acres. We have plenty of space for everyone in the family to find something to do. And coming soon, there will even be a park for your four-legged family members, the Derby Dog Park, expected to open in the summer of 2018. In addition to all our park space, we also boast an outstanding public library, 2 18-hole golf courses, and a community recreation commission that operates a full-service recreation center. Another fun feature of our city that your children will love is Rock River Rapids, an outdoor water theme park open during the summer. Derby also hosts several fun community events, including a 4th of July parade, the annual barbecue festival each September, and the Derby Farmers Market, which is held on Saturdays during the summer. If there are children in your family, the Derby Public Schools are an outstanding option for your child's education. Derby Public Schools' vision statement is, every student, every day, preparing for the future. Derby schools have a diverse population of students, and we also have a commitment to technology, as each middle and high school student has their own device. In addition to outstanding schools, Derby Public Schools is blessed with an administrative team committed to Derby, as many school leaders have roots in the Derby community. The district's nearly 7,000 students begin their journey in one of our 9 elementary buildings, where they attend kindergarten through 5th grade. And then they attend 6th grade through 8th grade in one of 2 middle school buildings. But all of our students are ultimately brought together as Panthers at Derby High School. The Derby community recently passed a bond issue to bring some much-needed improvements to our facilities. With another bond election upcoming, Derby schools will eventually boast some of the best facilities of any school district around. Derby High School is one of the largest high schools in the state and offers a wide range of courses, including numerous advanced classes, along with a wide array of career and technical education offerings that will prepare your child for the future. Derby High School also has a proud athletic tradition. This includes numerous athletes who have been awarded college scholarships, along with multiple state championships in many sports, including 3 of the last 5 Class 6A football titles. And if sports aren't your thing, there are numerous other ways to get involved, including outstanding music and fine arts programs. So whether you are a young professional looking for a vibrant community to reside in, or you want to put down roots and get your children into our outstanding schools, Derby has something for everyone. It truly is the place to be.